Hello and welcome to the news bulletin of In Goa with me, Joanna. Let's take a look at the headlines. Mr. B.V. Vanchu takes over as 16th Governor of Goa. Alina Matani Saldana will be inducted in the cabinet on coming Tuesday. Stern action against the people involved in illegal mining at Sports City Pernem, warns CM. And Grand Hyatt creates mango magic. And now the news in detail. B.V. Vanchu took oath of office as the 16th Governor of the state on Friday. Mr. Bharatveer Vanchu was administered oath of office by Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, Justice Mohit Shah. The event was attended by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Speaker Rajendra Arlekar, Member of the Council and other officials, along with prominent citizens. Mr. Vanchu was the founding member of the Special Protection Group and served in the organization twice before he was appointed as its chief in 2004. He was the chief of the Special Protection Group for 7 years. For his meritorious services, Mr. Vanchu was awarded the Indian Police Medal in 1993, and later for his distinguished services, he was awarded the President's Police Medal in 2001.
I, Bharatveer Vanchu, do solemnly affirm that I will faithfully discharge the functions of the Governor of Goa and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Goa.
श्रीमान सम्मान गार्ड यहाँ पर समाप्त है।
Here today in your midst in this beautiful state of Goa. I have come here to this state to work along with the government for the betterment of the state and its people. This shall be the spirit of my efforts as long as I am here in Goa. I am new to this state and I need to learn a lot about Goa. I need to see the beautiful sights of this state. I know Goa has a rich heritage and the people of Goa are indeed peace-loving people. The state is witnessing tremendous progress, growth and development, and I feel this is a wonderful thing. Though I must say I also feel that this progress and growth needs to be balanced, considering the environment of this most beautiful land of yours. You are compassionate, sincere and wonderful people, and I am confident that I will be able to work with full cooperation of the people and the government, and particularly your dynamic Chief Minister, in furthering the wellness and the prosperity of the people of this heavenly state. As I said, I am new to this state. I look forward to being here, and I am sure that I would have a wonderful experience.
After swearing in of new governor, speaking to media, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar announced that Alina Saldana will be inducted in the cabinet on coming Tuesday.
कंप्लेन केल्या की
एलिना इंडक्ट करप हे वायलेशन नॉट when the code is in force. रामा बाबा आता एक मातसो हात
जाका कोणाक विचारपाचें ताका विचारा. Constitution of India provides any आमी आयतारा करना तें मंगळारा करता any induction of any ministers. So I think he is you have to ask question to yourself whether Constitution of India is supreme or a code is supreme.
But it doesn't amount to influencing voters. You are telling them I am giving you this minister.
I can tell that by तुम्ही influencing of voter म्हणजे assurances आमी दिता पळय manifesto. What is that? You have to influence voter by your assurances. You cannot have undue advantage. Can opposition induct a cabinet minister? The issue is over. Legally तांचे position हा ते तांचे हा. Legally म्हाका जे provision दिला पळय under Article 163, 164. I will, any minister is induced in the cabinet on advice of the chief minister to the governor. Read Article 163, 164. तातून बरयला provided that there is no election code is in force बी म्हणून. My constitution जी म्हाका power दिता ती how can I surrender it to some code which even is not a legal document. In fact, you can ask Election Commission on this. They will be more clear to you.
And he says,
Chief Minister warned that stern action will be taken against people involved in illegal mining in Sports City Pernem. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Parrikar has left Goa for Delhi to participate in the National Centre for Anti-Terrorist Activities in the states, meeting called by the Union Home Minister.
See, if anyone does that again, third time, the person will face much more bigger music. See, first time in Sports City illegal, we have arrested twice. The third occasion will be much more serious because you have to give people some opportunity of coming out of habits. This first time there were arrests, they were let off with a lesser punishment because it had become a practice. And I warn everyone, government property ki loot. Illegality of mining is a different issue. This is government property loot. Will not be tolerated.
We're heading in for a short break.